guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye, enjoy the video. It's with Kimmi. It's your girl Kimmi, #1 educators, myself and Jeffrey.
Hey folks,
Say hi, say hi. He's driving.
Take the next left onto Knollwood
Guys,
Drive.
so we just had a doozy of a package and we wanted to come and talk to you about it while it is fresh
In 1,000 feet.
in our minds. It's fresh in our minds. We're gonna let YouTube do what it does. I'm gonna show y'all this package too. So we are out in these notary streets, kind of rainy day here in Georgia. I'll show you the rain. Hold on one second. It's kind of rainy day here in Georgia. Yep, we're up on 78. Rainy, rainy, rainy. Go away, go away. It wasn't raining when we started out. Hey, Andrea, how you doing, girl? Good to see you. Okay, so let's talk about this package. For those of you who do not know who we are, though, we are again Jeff and Kim. Notary Educators is our actual formal training company where we have a mentorship program where we teach you how to go out there and stamp that paper, turn your stamp into cash, and to notarize like a what?
Like a pro.
Like a pro. So you got two options now, $27 and $47, but we'll come back to that. Let's talk about this package, y'all. So this is the package. Let me see, can I show you? Look at that. Can you see how many pages that is? Oh, you know what? The phone doesn't like it when I rotate it. How many pages did it turn out to be, Jeff?
Over 100. Well,
150.
No, that was
the
just
package.
one section. Probably about 100.
No, this is more than 100 times 2.
Yeah, so we're talking about
so
500.
360 pages. This package. So Andrea like a pro, right? Like a pro. Andrea. So Andrea already know because she's been doing loan signings too. She used to be a mentorship with us. She's knocking it out the park. So this package here though is a buyer's package, okay? So I'm in Georgia. I get the question a lot, can you do property signings? The house that's being bought is in Alabama. So it's not reasonable to think that we're going to tell the client you have to go to Alabama to get your documents notarized. So we wanted to share some tips with you about this particular package though. So again, let's start over. So buyer's package, the person buying the home is here in Georgia. He's relocating to another state. The documents were delivered this morning. The signing was supposed to be at 10, but it did not happen at 10 because the documents were not ready. So I already knew it wasn't going to happen last night at 10, so I reached out to my client and I said, hey, I don't have the documents as of yet. It's probably not going to happen at 10 o'clock. So he was more than cool, and we just finished it. We got there at 12:20ish, 12:25. It's 1:20, so it took about an hour. It was a solid hour. It's very rare that we have signings that take a whole hour. It's very rare. I normally allow at least half an hour or an hour, but this buyer's package, again, it was 160 pages. And then out of that, notarizations, I had maybe, 15?
Yeah.
I had about 15 notarizations, and I had to fill out several forms in the package. And then it was a lot of pages that needed to be initialed. So that's one of my tips I'm going to leave with you right now is when it comes to these packages, make sure you are looking for initials. It was 20 pages that had to be initialed. Watch this motorcycle, okay? Because they're stopped up here. Something's going on. There's always something going on in Atlanta traffic, y'all. Oh, he can't see. Hold on. We can't have no accident out here talking to y'all, YouTube. Hold on. He can't see. So the tow truck, I can show y'all what's going on. Hold on. The tow truck is trying to come around in the wrong lane. That's what happened. Okay. That might have been too much information for y'all. All right, who else we got here? Let's see. We got Notary down south. What's up? What's up? Girl, I know it's raining in Florida. How are you, my friend? Hey, Patricia. How you doing? What's up? Hey, June. Welcome, everybody. So, yeah, so back to this package. So, 160 pages times 2, because we had to print 2. Unfortunately, we did print 2 because we actually made a mistake on the Patriot Act. The Patriot Act form. I told Jeffrey the insurance was all State Farm. It was actually Allstate. So anyway, we had to pull from the signer's package. That's why you don't want to be out there double printing. Some of you will try that to save on the ink and stuff. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like I got hair in my throat. I'm not lying. I gotta drink some water. He had pets, he put them up, but you know how you just come out, you feel weird? I ain't lying, y'all. I feel like I got something in my throat. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to put a hose in my mouth because I feel, oh my God, I got hair on me. I hate I mentioned it to y'all. I have hair on me. I'm sorry. Y'all know how I feel about dogs. I'm sorry. I actually have a dog hair on me. So if it's on me, it's probably in me, right? I probably ate some. Oh my God. Hold on. I'm sorry. Jeffrey, you talking to him about something. Tell him about your printer saying stop.
Yeah. So I printed, because we were printing, it was 5 individual files that was uploaded from the signing company. And one of them, the one that was 150 pages. So I printed that, and then that one, and I gave it to Kim so she can start sorting through it and putting their stickies on there. So I printed the other one right behind it. I have a brother's printer, and this is the first time ever. We've never printed this many that I can recall. This is the first time we've had that many pages to print. Anyway, I print so much. Those 2 packets that the printer says it was cooling down. I had to stop for a minute and had to cool itself down. It says I'm too hot. So that's the reason why you got to have the right type of equipment, though, because as much needed to be printed. Probably something else. A little printer probably wouldn't have been able to handle all of that. So make sure you got the right equipment, especially when you're doing these type of signings. When you're doing these loan packages, almost over 300 some pages. That's a lot of paper. So you got to have your supplies. I have, especially during the pandemic, when we were doing a lot of these packages. We were doing, a couple of 1 or 2 a day loan packages, and I ordered extra toner, a few extra drums. Of course, I was buying paper out the wazoo for a minute there, so you want to have the right supplies so that you can be ready. Because I needed to restock this morning when I did the paper. So anyway, just make sure you got the right stuff with you. But it was kind of funny, the printers, it was cooling down. So anyway, back to Kimmi.
Okay, I'm back, y'all. I had to put a hose in my mouth. I crunched it up right quick because I was feeling kind of weird. And you can actually see the hair on me. I'm going to show y'all. Hold on. I don't know. Let me see. Because the camera is so tricky. Look at that. Do you see that hair on me? Do you see that hair on me?
That's got to get washed.
Oh my God. So I'm like, that, guys, okay. I'm okay now, but I promise you I felt like I had something in my throat. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna get back to this signing. Hold on. Let me get y'all comments. Okay, so we got Patricia said it's raining in Florida too. Okay. And Notary Down South says that, girl, yes, my allergies. Notary Down South, I keep a lint brush in my car so I can brush it off before I get in my car. I'll be honest, I didn't think I was going to have any hair on me. I mean, real talk, I didn't think so. I'm wearing black, so I should have assumed that, right? But I just didn't even think about it until I'm talking to y'all, and I'm like, okay, I feel like I got something in my throat. I'm out of my meltdown here. And funny story, guys, I almost didn't want to go in the house because the sign out there said